Howdy everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Now it's that time again, our monthly deep dive into the ever-evolving world of proprietary trading. Now at the time of recording, we're into October, and September of this year, 2025, didn't disappoint. We saw a wave of very exciting innovations and strategic moves that show that prop firms are doubling down on technology, trader empowerment, and smarter funding options. Now, if you're new to the prop trading scene, this is the perfect way to get caught up on who's really moving and shaking things up in the industry. And if you're a seasoned trader looking for your next opportunity, I'm sure you'll find plenty here to spark your interest and help you see if you're working with the right prop trading firm. So in this video, we'll go over the latest updates from some of the top prop trading firms in the entire industry. We do a roundup of important updates across the industry every single month, so you guys can always be up to date with what's going on across the broader space. Now, in no real particular order, let's jump in. I'm going to cover some key prop firm updates that occurred in the industry during September. All right, kicking off September's updates, Funding Pips has leveled up its popular two-step pro challenge with a powerful new set of features aimed at giving traders more freedom and faster rewards. The revamped model now introduces daily rewards, meaning funded traders no longer need to wait through long payout cycles to access their profits. Instead, they can enjoy performance-based rewards every single day at no additional cost. And on top of that, they have also dropped one of the most debated restrictions. The consistency requirement no longer applies to the master accounts. The 35% consistency rule now exists only in the evaluation phase, and this is freeing up funded traders to execute their strategies without artificial limits once they've earned their account. This move should be especially exciting for those who do thrive on flexible and adaptive trading styles and also want faster access to their hard-earned payouts. So some great updates there from Funding Pips and their trader base. Funded Next is up next with an upgrade that could really open the door to more traders than ever. They've introduced a bold evolution to its popular instant funding program with the launch of Stellar Instant 2.0, a more affordable, flexible, and rewarding way for traders to secure funded capital. Now, a key highlight of this release is the brand new $2,000 account size, designed to let newcomers and more cautious traders step into the funded trading world with lower upfront risk while still unlocking the full benefits of Funded Next instant model. Now, this update signals the firm's commitment to making instant funding more approachable without watering down its potential. For traders who wanted to test the waters with less capital at stake, Stellar Instant 2.0 could be the perfect entry point. So Funded Next doing lots of great stuff, expanding their programs to include a broader variety of people, and that's a great update there recently from Funded Next. Holler Prime, they've announced the launch of Trade Locker, a new trading platform designed to enhance the trading experience with advanced technology and user-friendly features. The addition marks another step in the firm's mission to provide traders with innovative tools to improve performance and decision-making. Trade Locker comes equipped with a sleek, easy-to-use interface, making it very accessible to both experienced traders and newcomers and everything in between. It has very powerful charting tools. It allows users to conduct in-depth market analysis. We've talked a lot about Trade Locker in the past. Now, Holler Prime has also refined its flagship one-step pro challenge by introducing a new consistency rule. This is designed to encourage more stable and responsible trading, and this update comes after the firm observed patterns of inconsistent and overly risky behavior among some of their traders. So the goal is to protect the integrity of the funded programs and also help traders build sustainable performance habits while still benefiting from the single-phase challenge structure. So some good platform upgrades and smarter risk policies recently there from Holler Prime. Moving on to Top Tier Trader, they've officially announced its rebrand to TX3 Funding. This is a major turning point in the company's growth. The rebrand isn't just a name change, it's a complete repositioning that combines Forex and futures markets trading under one streamlined platform while operating the full backing of TX3 Markets, a regulated multi-jurisdictional broker. So the new TX3 Funding will now be headquartered in Dubai, one of the world's most dynamic financial hubs. It's a move that strengthens the company's credibility, gives it more operational stability, and sets the stage for long-term growth as a broker-backed prop firm. For traders, this transition signals stronger infrastructure, more reliable funding opportunities, and a more unified trading experience across multiple asset classes. So a full-scale rebrand there from Top Tier Trader, or should I say from TX3 Funding. Moving on to Funder Pro, they've introduced a significant update to its challenge rules. They removed the 30% margin limit per asset class. So previously, traders were restricted to allocating no more than 30% of their account margin to a single asset class during the evaluation phase. That rule completely eliminated now, and it gives traders far greater freedom in structuring their risk and building positions. While the change gives traders more room to maneuver, Funder Pro has emphasized that this is not a green light for reckless gambling trading. It is participants must still comply with existing drawdown limits, risk management protocols, and consistency standards to pass their challenges. But for experienced traders who like to size into strong setups or focus on one specific market, this is a welcome and empowering shift from Funder Pro. Moving on to the GOAT Funded Trader. They've officially launched its new Instant Pro account, a funding model designed to cut out some of the biggest barriers that traders face. So with this account, there's no evaluation phase, no daily drawdown restriction. That removes two of the most common frustrations for traders who want to start live trading immediately. The Instant Pro account features leverage of up to 1 to 50, a profit split of up to 100%, and flexible payout options that include bi-weekly or on-demand withdrawals. So by eliminating these restrictions, GFT is giving traders a direct, less complicated path to putting capital to work without all the usual layers of rules standing in their way. So GOAT Funded Trader, once again, doing great things in the industry. Moving on to Fintech, they have expanded its trading universe by introducing cryptocurrency trading to its platform, opening new doors for traders looking to diversify into digital assets. Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, other major cryptos are now fully live, very transparent conditions and leverage of up to 1 to 2 on Bitcoin to help manage risk while still capturing opportunities in this very fast-moving market. And the expansion doesn't actually stop there. Fintech has also rolled out 14 additional crypto pairs, including 8 against the US dollar and 6 against the Japanese yen. Popular names like Cardano, Dogecoin, they're all in the mix now. Traders gain access to both established and emerging digital assets, broadening the playing field for strategy development and portfolio diversification there for Fintech and their traders. Moving on to FXify, they have officially integrated TradingView as a platform option for its funded accounts, giving their traders access to one of the industry's most beloved charting and social trading platforms. This move lets FXify users analyze markets, execute trades, manage their funded accounts directly from TradingView's sleek interface. Powered by Alchemy Markets for reliable liquidity and execution, it's an integration that's a major convenience boost. It's particularly attractive for traders who already use TradingView for analysis, allowing them to combine charting and trading in one seamless trading environment without juggling multiple platforms. So an amazing platform integration there from FXify that I'm sure their user base will be exceptionally excited for. So great update there from FXify. Moving on to Bullwaves Prime, they are making waves in the industry as usual, making funding even more accessible. They've introduced a brand new $5,000 challenge size aimed at helping traders take their first step into the funded trading world without committing significant capital. Both one-step and two-step options are available, giving participants the choice between a faster track to funding or a more thorough evaluation of their consistency. The 5K challenge is designed not just to test passing ability, but to prepare traders for long-term success with firm capital. By lowering the entry barrier while maintaining a professional challenge structure, Bullwaves Prime is creating a very practical path for traders to prove themselves without risking large sums up front, and that opens the door for more traders, and that's a great update from Bullwaves Prime. Blueberry Funded has officially launched its highly anticipated Prime Challenge, a flagship funding program built for traders who want flexibility and sustainable growth. Prime offers unlimited time to complete the challenges, which means no more pressure to hit targets within restrictive deadlines. Traders can now move at their own pace, focusing on smart strategy execution rather than rushing under the time pressures of the clock. Now, to make the program even more attractive, Blueberry Funded has reduced the price of Prime Challenge entries. Lower costs combined with a competitive profit sharing structure make this program far more accessible while still rewarding traders who are serious about long-term success. It's a clear signal that Blueberry is focused on building a loyal trader community by removing financial and time-based barriers. So that's helping create funding freedom and incentives there for traders, and that's a great thing. Great update from Blueberry Funded. Okay, DNA Funded has introduced its Knowledge Hub, a new initiative rewarding traders for creating and sharing educational content about the platform. Participants can earn up to 6 free challenge accounts simply by posting videos about DNA Funded on YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. Now, once submitted, videos are reviewed by the team and approved creators receive their rewards within 3 business days. This program is a smart move to expand community-driven content while giving traders a chance to earn funding through creativity and influence, not just trading performance. So a really cool initiative there and a recent update from DNA Funded. Moving on to Funded Prime, they have removed its volume distribution rule, a requirement that previously dictated how traders spread their trading volume to qualify for payouts. While originally intended to promote consistency, the rule often felt restrictive for those who preferred dynamic position sizing, so its removal gives traders more control to adjust to market conditions without worrying about random arbitrary thresholds. In addition, Funded Prime has overhauled its payout system to make it faster and more reliable. So traders can now choose between crypto and credit card withdrawals for instant, secure transactions. And this is addressing delays and limited payment options seen at a lot of other firms. So Funded Prime is improving one of the most critical parts of the trader experience, getting paid. So it's a good payout upgrade from Funded Prime that I'm sure their user base will be very happy with. Alpha Capital Group, they have launched a new chart plotting feature, allowing traders to visualize their trade history directly on price charts. So this tool provides a clear, data-rich view of performance, helping traders analyze entries, exits, and strategy outcomes visually rather than digging through just raw numbers. It's a very intuitive way to refine risk management and spot performance patterns. Now, alongside this, Alpha Capital Group has introduced CTrader for its US traders, giving them access to one of the world's most popular trading platforms. We've touched on CTrader many times for their advanced charting, their execution transparency, and a smooth user experience. So their arrival in the US really broadens the platform choice for American traders looking for alternatives to MetaTrader or DXTrade. So Alpha Capital Group doing some great things recently in the industry as well. All right, moving on to our last few updates for the month. FT UK has rolled out a completely redesigned website, creating a smoother and more user-friendly experience for both prospective and active traders. The new design just improves navigation, it speeds up access to critical information, it makes signing up for programs a lot easier. For a firm focused on providing innovative trading opportunities, a polished and functional website is a big part of attracting and supporting traders worldwide. So it really shows their commitment to staying modern and accessible, two very important parts in the ever-growing landscape of prop trading. So a great little update there from FT UK. Prop Nimbus has announced a major reduction in evaluation times, now completing assessments in just 3 business days instead of 5. So for traders eager to start trading funded capital, cutting nearly half of the wait time makes a bit of a difference, especially in fast-moving markets where opportunities can appear and disappear very quickly. The firm has also introduced direct crypto withdrawals, letting traders send payouts straight from the Prop Nimbus wallet to their personal crypto wallets. So this change removes banking delays, reduces fees, and adds convenience for traders in regions with challenging financial systems. Combined, these updates show that Prop Nimbus is serious about removing friction and speeding up every part of the trading journey. Wrapping up September's innovations, Blue Guardian has moved beyond funding to build stronger connections with its trader community. They've launched Guardian TV, a new platform that blends education, community engagement, and rewards. Designed to give traders deeper insights while fostering transparency and trust, Guardian TV marks an important expansion beyond just offering funded accounts. It's about creating a space where traders can learn, connect, and grow together while staying close to the firm's evolving ecosystem. And on that note, that's a fantastic way to wrap up this update video. So these have been the recent updates and changes from some of the leading prop trading firms across the industry, of course, throughout September. As we can see, the prop trading firm industry as a whole is constantly evolving, and quality trading firms are the ones who are looking to adjust and improve their offerings to traders. Now, before we let you go, let us know in the comments below your perspective, your thoughts, your feedback, particularly if you enjoyed the changes that any of these firms made, which of the prop firms caught your eye the most. We love to see your feedback in the comments, especially if you are someone who's working with any of these prop firms directly. Don't forget as well, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the YouTube channel here and our other social media pages. A little bit of a shameless plug, but that's so you can always be up to date with what's going on in the prop trading firm space. We'll make sure you receive important news and updates about reputable and trustworthy prop firms that we also list on our website. And that's it for this one. That wraps up our monthly update video. Wishing everyone successful and happy trading. Look forward to seeing you all on the next one.